Welcome back to another RMS support tutorial. Today we'll discuss how to install Department of Defense certifications if they are not currently installed. Now let's get started. DoD certifications are required in order to run RMS. There is limited functionality when the proper DoD certifications are not installed on your machine. This can lead to RMS not operating correctly or in some cases not at all. When your current DoD certs are not installed, you can download and install the DoD certs here or from the RMS website. Open up a web browser and type in rms.usace.army.mil. Then navigate to the RMS documentation website link. Select DoD Military CAC Certifications link. This instructional video will also be provided from this index page for your reference. Once you have reached this site, click on Military CAC MSI version. This should automatically download the executable. Once downloaded, click the executable link. Now we will navigate through the install route setup, following all of the instructions. If you are unable to download or run these executables due to a permissions rule, please contact your local IT department for assistance. Click on the Next button. Choosing the default file location, then pressing Next. Selecting the features, then pressing Next. And finally, installing the program by clicking Install. After the installation is complete, click on Run Install Route. Now we will click the Install Certificates button. A warning pop-up window will display stating that Windows will automatically trust any certificates issued by this certificate authority. Click Yes. Now the DoD certs are installed. To verify the certificates have been installed, you may open up a web browser. In this case, we will use Google Chrome. If you are using other browsers, please refer to the DoD website for those specific instructions. Click the three dots at the top right, click Settings, Security and Privacy, Security, then scroll down to the Advanced section and click Manage Certificates. As you can see in this window, the proper DoD certificates have been installed and RMS should now be accessible. In summary, we discussed where and how to install DoD certificates as well as how to verify the proper installation of these certificates. The DoD website along with the RMS website will be included in the description box of this video for your reference. If there are any technical errors within RMS, please contact the RMS support help desk by submitting a support ticket. We hope you found this video informative and thank you for watching.